Bitcoin is pumping, and BlackRock filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Behind the scenes though, the SEC, crypto, and TradFi are in a standoff. I'll tell you why in this video and whether there will be compromise, bloodshed, or winner takes all. My name is Hannah, and I've got the scoop on why Bitcoin took a moonshot this week and what is likely to happen next. If you're trading, keep an eye on next Friday, June 30th for an important economic data release. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe if you're not already. Grab your coffee because it's time to catch up over crypto brunch. You remember how last week crypto was in an SEC chokehold? They went after exchanges, put a squeeze on fiat on and off ramps, and called some of our favorite crypto projects securities. Prices dumped, crypto had its back against the wall, and it felt like the worst was yet to come. But we anticipate the hat about to be thrown into the ring that would change sentiment from red to green, and it came from somewhere unexpected. TradFi, traditional finance. Last Thursday, BlackRock filed an application with the SEC for a spot Bitcoin ETF on the United States Stock Exchange. To understand why this matters, we've got to hit a rewind and look back at the history of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, for Bitcoin in the US stock market. Find out more about where prices are heading next by tuning into Around the Blockchain. It's where you'll find real talk with some of the biggest crypto influencers, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss anything on ATB. We already have Bitcoin-linked ETFs. The first from ProShares was launched on October 18th of 2021 with the ticker BITO. It tracks Bitcoin futures, and shares are not valued one-to-one with Bitcoin the way a spot ETF would be. There are currently about a dozen Bitcoin-linked ETFs, but no spot ETFs have ever been approved for trading in the USA. Bitcoin-linked ETFs do almost nothing to the price of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin-backed spot ETFs sure would. Shares of spot ETFs have to be backed by Bitcoin one-to-one because when someone buys a share of a spot ETF, they're supposed to be holding the asset without having to custody it. And that's why ETF news is so bullish for the price. A lot of people would use ETFs to hold Bitcoin, especially those that don't want to take on the risk of self-custody. Asset management companies have been seeking approval for spot Bitcoin ETFs since 2017. We had high hopes of approvals in April of 2022 when ARK21 shares and many other Bitcoin-backed ETF applications were rejected. Fast forward to today, and the BlackRock ETF application launches the price of Bitcoin past $30K. But the crypto community has its back up over their intent. Let's not forget that the SEC just tried to squash the industry for good, and Twitter user Anil Said So found something in BlackRock's ETF filing that may indicate the company could have the same interests as the SEC. There's a clause in the document indicating that if there's a hard fork of Bitcoin's code, BlackRock will choose which fork to go with, and also that it might not be the most valuable fork. And what does this mean? It means that BlackRock is leaving room for potential forks of Bitcoin. Many believe that the SEC and other government agencies want Bitcoin forked to proof of stake. They want that because it's a loophole they can use to call Bitcoin a security. This would be checkmate for crypto and a win for government-issued CBDCs. This is why many believe the BlackRock ETF is a fox in the henhouse and something we should be careful about accepting as 100% bullish. There are rumors that Fidelity might also apply for a Bitcoin spot ETF, and some believe they are going to buy out Grayscale, who owns more than 630,000 Bitcoin. It's all speculation for now, but BlackRock and Fidelity have a combined total asset value of over $15.5 trillion, and that's a lot of green that could be invested into Bitcoin. And this is why Bitcoin got so many green candles, blowing past $30K, a resistance level that has been difficult to break following bear market lows. Bitcoin dominance over Ethereum just surpassed 50% for the first time in 2 years as crypto investors and TradFi alike take a healthy dose of the orange pill. As far as what's next for crypto, that was a hefty pump, so we could be in for a pullback. Keep in mind though, the price has been suppressed for so long that it could be like a coiled spring, ready to leap to new local highs over the next few weeks as sentiment surrounding crypto improves. If you're trading, remember that PCE info is coming out on Friday, June 30th, where we get data on how much American people are spending. This has a huge impact on how the economy is growing in relation to how inflation is slowing, so this could be really valuable information for your investing outlook. ATB goes live Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern, so don't forget to tune in. That's it for this week's Crypto Brunch. Toodles! Woo! Big brain. Alpha. Okay. That's it for this week's... Whoa, the hands on hip. That's it. That's all for this week's Crypto Brunch. That's it. Oh my god. Yeah, hold on. Did you stop it already? No. Yeah, it's still going. Okay, I gotta say toodles. Toodles. Okay.